Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. Coming on today to talk about savings challenges and also sinking funds. I've never done that before, and it's quite a successful craze around YouTube at the moment, and I'm pretty intrigued with it all. I have always been a saver since my children were younger, but since they became adults and flew the nest, it wasn't as important as it was then. I've always paid my bills. I've always been up to date with everything. I am not in any debt whatsoever. I was in some small debts when, of course, the children were younger, but now nothing. I wanted to start doing some sinking funds and also some saving challenges, because what I'm finding now is that I'm a craft fanatic. I love arts and crafts, and I'm always up for a challenge to do DIYs and bits and pieces around the house. But I'm constantly spending my money on craft supplies, and it got to the point last year, where my craft room was so overwhelming, I didn't even want to come into craft, or, you know, I wasn't inspired, and I decided to give it a good decluttering and, you know, take some things to charity and give away some stuff, because a lot of the stuff I wasn't using, and a lot of the stuff I had in 2s and 3s, and, you know, how much can you use at one time? So I decided to slow down, and I'm quite happy with what I have now. I do buy arts and crafts still, because I just love having arts and craft supplies. I do journaling, I do planning, I just make all sorts of bits and pieces. I do a lot of DIYs around the home, and I do hauls as well. But now I want to incorporate a little bit of my lifestyle habits. So getting back onto the budgeting now, I'm not going to go through the whole process of what I'm earning, or keeping a track of all that, because I keep a track of all that through all my direct debits. All my bills are paid via direct debit. So that's always okay for me. I manage that very, very well. What I'm not managing is what is left over, and I can put it to better use. I can actually do some serious savings. So that is what I want to embark on, some sinking funds and some savings challenges. Now, for the sinking funds, I do need some stuff for the home. I really want some new speaker stands to put my speakers on, and I really want a new armchair for my living room. Also, I want new flooring for my hallway. So those things are classed for me as home improvements. So that is what I really want to save towards. I want to do a little, just a little saving as well, but I want to put mainly what I've just talked about, what I need, into action now with the money. So that's what I'm going to do. So just basically letting you know my plans for my budgeting journey. I will come back and show you how I've set up my binders for those things. I'm new to all this. I've never done any sinking funds before, and I've never done any savings challenges, and I'm really, really looking forward to it. It will definitely help me to slow down on the buying, you know, of all these arts and crafts supplies, and also it will get me to where I want for the things in the house. That's my main goal right now. So on that note, that's all I've got to say right now. I will come back and set up my binders with you, and then we can take it from there. Anyway, hope to see you soon, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell in order to receive notifications, you know, when I upload the new videos. And have yourself a lovely weekend. Take care now. Bye.